Oh my god, another week, another unboxing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be reviewing and opening first impressions, whatever's in this box. Can you guys guess in the comments what it is? Can you guess? Time's up, time's up. I did not give you no time. Okay, so I just got fresh out of work. My boyfriend texted me, you got the package while you were at work, because I've been waiting on this since before I got to work, but of course FedEx man decides to haul ass when I get here. So let's open it up. And I use my freaking hair cutting scissors because I'm a licensed cosmetologist, because I don't know why I can't just go out and buy regular tijeras. So let's get on to it. I hope I did not cut the shop. It'd be funny if I did though.
I'm strong AF. Boy.
Oh. So, as you guys may know, Spirit is now carrying the metallics, the blue and purple metallic, and then it's also carrying the chrome. And when I saw that in the rest of the Ghostface community, we were like awestruck. We were like, oh my god. So this is gonna be a short unboxing, but comment down below what type of content you would like to see. I can't always buy masks, but whenever I do, I'll post videos. I love all the love that my videos have been getting on the Ghostface stuff, but I can't always buy. So let me know if other stuff is welcome. So now, for the time, I'm gonna show you, as always. You guys get to see the mask first. Is it amazing? Am I holding something really nice? Okay, first impressions. Ready? Oh my god! Hell yeah! I'll be doing some close-ups of this in the back. This is so pretty. Can you believe this was $12.99 at Spirit? It's already sold out because of course people get crazy about this, but oh my gosh, look at it. Look at it! Finally, Douglas Drum Board Productions. I finally have a metallic. Douglas has all the masks. He has all the metallics. I'm so jealous. Finally, I didn't want the blue one because the blue one looked ugly. But
to the people that get easily offended, I am just stating my preferences. My what I prefer. I think the blue one isn't appealing. Okay, if that's nicer to say, it's not appealing. I think the purple one looks prettier. Okay, don't get offended. It's just my personal opinion. If you like the blue one, I'm gonna let you like it, but it's not for me, son. I said it multiple times. I am not a professional collector. I just collect things that is appealing to my eyeballs, not because I need to have it. It's just I see it, I like it, I get it, I want it. I mean, I want it, I get it. You know what I mean? Quit being so.
the one looked nice, so. Yeah. So Spirit, let's try it on. Smells like it's been handled and shipped. It's been handled. Intra FedEx driver. I was literally reloading my tab like it was gonna make the driver go like make a sharp turn on my house. But look at that. So pretty. Does it say on the inside? It does not say Easter Unlimited, unless this is... Nope, no Easter Unlimited. This is your typical shroud. This feels like in between a vinyl and plastic. I don't know. It does not say Easter Unlimited underneath the chin. It's the next day and I decided to change my mind. Guess who's gonna be untagging the purple metallic? Me. You can't cry now. Let me see. Why are you crying? Yeah, so my boyfriend had gotten me a Raven cosplay costume from Amazon for like $40 and it turned out being like the worst material ever. And I kept the cape. So I was like, what about an all purple Ghostface? All the collectors hate me right now. It looks like it has little horns. It's so cute. I mean, it's kind of the same-ish, like, purple. This came out. I don't want her eating it. Well, the mask is so dark that I need like this. Without But yeah, that was today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys like my review, then subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video if you like it. Comment down below what type of content you'd like to see from me besides my unboxing mask, because I am not Fergalicious rich. So yeah, amazing.
Thanks for watching Spooky Dookie.